Hello students, we are in chapter the state government, civics class 7. In previous video we already discussed the differences between Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. The ministers are the member of Vidhan Sabha, but the Vidhan Parishad members are called MLCs. MLC, member of Legislative Council. And one question is, who can be elected to the Legislative Council? The member of Legislative Council, Vidhan Parishad, a person need to be a citizen of India, his or her name on the voter list of the state, he or she should not be the below of 35 years. But in MLA case, the age is not less than 25 years, should be mentally sound and not be bankrupt. Then how many total number of seats in assembly? This is totally depend on the size of the state. For example, Uttar Pradesh, the most populous state of India, 403 member in the legislative assembly. The maximum number and the minimum number of the state legislative state assembly, that is 500, not exceed 500 and not less than 60%, 60 seat. Or thinly populated state like Goa, Mizoram, Nagaland and Sikkim have less than 60 members. These are also comes in union territories, thin populated states. These are thin populated states but contain less than 60 members. Who leads the state legislative assembly? A state legislative assembly led by speaker and deputy speakers. This is the diagram of Legislative Assembly of Rajasthan. And duration is 5 years, but it totally dependent upon the governor decision, may be dissolved more than 5 years or less than 5 years. Now a question, what are the circumstances to a governor can dissolve the houses before the completion of its term? Answer is when exert emergency in a state, then it may be dissolved earlier or after 5 years. And also a related important question, no confidence motion. When no confidence motion passed, then the assembly is dissolved. Dissolution means विघटन, खत्म हो जाना. Dissolution means no more existence. Then fresh elections are held in a state, and this is because people have lost faith in the government. Now, what is Vidhan Parishad? The second houses of the legislative is Vidhan Parishad or the Legislative Council. Only 6 states already we discussed: Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, UP and Telangana. Only 6 states they have Legislative Council, Vidhan Parishad, and the member is called Legislative Council member. What is the composition of Vidhan Parishad? After the separation of Jharkhand, 75 seats are in Vidhan Parishad of Bihar, and the compositions are as given of the Indian Constitution. 1/3 member of the Vidhan Parishad are elected by the Vidhan Sabha, and 1/3 are elected by the local bodies of the state, and 1/12 75 का 1/12 member of the Vidhan Parishad are elected by the teacher who have taught in secondary school and above for more than 3 years. Another 1/12 are elected by the graduate for the 3 year standing in the state. जो ग्रेजुएट होंगे और 3 साल से राज्य में रह रहे हैं. Rest of the 16% member are not elected. They are nominated by governor. They are well known in the field of art, literature, science, social science or cooperative movements. Now the duration of Vidhan Parishad. The duration of Vidhan Parishad is 6 years and 1/3 of its member retire after every 2 years. 1/3 member जो है प्रत्येक 2 साल में हट जाते हैं और नए लोग आते हैं. What was the function of the state legislature? A state legislature makes law on 66 subjects which come in state list. State list जो राज्य सूची में आएंगे उन पे ये कानून बनाएंगे. एंड ऑल्सो मेक लॉ ऑन 47 सब्जेक्ट विच आर अंडर इन कंकरेंट लिस्ट. कंकरेंट लिस्ट समवर्ती सूची. कंकरेंट लिस्ट वो होगा जिसपे राज्य और केंद्र मिल करके लॉ बनाएंगे. स्टेट लिस्ट वो होगा जिसपे राज्य सरकार कानून बनाएंगे. इट पासेस द मनी मिल एंड बजट ऑफ द स्टेट. It passes the ordinance adhyadesh issued by the governor of the state when assembly of the state is not in session. Okay. Then ratification of the amendment made by the parliament related to the power of the state government. It exercises control over execution by the way of asking question and criticizing the wrong policies of the government while giving suggestion. Who take case of the state administration and who is the head of the state. In next video we discuss about the governor.